Hello everyone, I am Kazi Rafiq from WPLs, and today on this video I will show you how you can install Justice Consultant Divi child theme on your server or on local server or on any live server with all the demo data. So this is our live version of our theme. You can see here. So when you purchase this theme from Divi Marketplace, you will get two files. One is the child theme and one is the supplementary file. Child theme and supplementary files. So at first you need to install a fresh WordPress on your local or any live server. Then install the Divi theme. After that, you need to go to the appearance themes. Click on add new. Then install the child theme first. You need the zip file. You need to install the zip file. Justice Consultant child theme.zip. So our file is okay. Let's install it. So theme installed successfully. So need to activate it. So our theme is activated. So here is some other plugins we need to install and activate. This theme requires the following plugins. You can see the message here. Begin installing plugins. So we need to install the required plugins. So my recommendation is to install one by one. Install the plugins one by one. So flexi breadcrumb is activated successfully. Then the next one is one click demo import. Plugin activated successfully. Then go to the another one. Recent post widget with thumbnails required. All the plugins installed and activated successfully. So all the plugins are activated. So then we need to import the demo data. From appearance, import Justice Consultant demo data. So we need to click the import demo data. Here, before you import your demo, here is we don't need this plugins. So we go for the continuum support. So it will take some time. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. So we need to keep patience for that. Okay, it takes around 3 minutes and it says import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin your site. So let's refresh it. Let's see our data is coming or not. We have okay, all the image and content is okay. We need to fix the header and footer. So for that, at first we need to go to the Divi theme builder and click import and go for the supplementary file and click global.json. Import it. Input is done. Click save changes, and after that go to the appearance menu. Make the menu primary menu, location primary menu. Click save menu. After that go to the host, and you can say in the hello world. We need to delete it, then refresh it on front end. It's done. You can see the header is okay. If you match it with the live version, this is on our local, you can see it totally match the font, the picture, all are good. All are good. So if you feel any problem, if the importing process takes too much time, like import just it takes too much time, then my recommendation is at first check your PHP configuration required limit. These are the values of the PHP configuration limit: maximum execution time 300, memory limit. If your PHP configuration limit is less than these values, then you need to contact your web host and ask them to increase those PHP configuration. If after increasing these values, if you still feel problems, please give me an email from marketplace, or you can contact me directly from my website. You can contact me directly. You can contact me through my email, through Skype, or the contact form. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you feel any problem